Hello friends, welcome to another video. In this video I will tell you about Topographical Assessment Test in UK, that how you can pass in the test and got very good marks in the test. So let's start the video. So first of all, I'm gonna tell you about Topographical Skill Assessment Test. What is a Topographical Skill Assessment Test for UK? So the Topographical Skill Assessment Test check your ability to use a London A to Z and to become a private hire driver in UK. So now I'm gonna tell you about test modules of Topographical Skill Assessment Test, that how you can pass in the test. So test modules of assessment test. So what is the assessment test? First of all must be able to speak, read and understand English, because your test must be in English language. Now I'm gonna tell you about 5 modules of test, and if you will follow these 5 modules, you can easily pass in the test and got very good marks. First of all, in TFL test, map reading skills. Second module is identifying points of interest using a map. Third one is test route planning and navigational skills. Fourth point is in TFL test directional skills. And last one is test road signs and driver responsibilities. So if you will follow these 5 modules, you will pass in the test and got very good marks. I hope this video very helpful for you. So thank you very much for watching my video.